Hi guys, we got package persons who come here and walk into the apartment and I'm like, oh, the place smells so good. Very fresh and very strong. So remember to like, share, subscribe, join the family. First of all, this is thinner than I expected it to be. Dehumidifying bags, and it basically suck up any moisture that's in the apartment. From me to me, ooh, this is how it's looking. This is how the front part is looking. The back part is all strapped. The light for you. I got you something. I got home from work. It's Arm & Hammer makes these, right? So in my apartment, the cupboard smell old and musky. I got some packages. I got packages. Hi guys, we got packages. I'm curled up right there, but the important part, Savage Fenty. I know I'm in my robe, so you can tell that I got home from work. It's a work day today. Yeah, and my hair is in my two little bun. Yeah. I need to get my hair done, my nails done. I need to get a lot of things done, but we'll be doing that. Yes, but anyways, what's going on? I got some packages. I got packages, and I wanted to show you what I got, what is in it. Anyways, always excited about the Savage Fenty bag, so let's get into that. One day I'll be getting Fendi as well, so yeah. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. First thing first, remember to like, share, subscribe, join the family. Why is that child screaming? Like, why is that child screaming? Anyways, I got a few stuff for the apartment, and Fenty's for me, but a few stuff for the apartment. Oh, they smell very strong. So I'm going to test out these balls. Let me show you. So in my cupboard, odor buster. So they're from, as you can see, Arm & Hammer makes these, right? So in my apartment, the board, like the cupboards, after a while they get a bit old, so they have this smell. Wow, this is very strong, very fresh and very strong. Wow, I wonder if one of them crack open. They're very fresh and very strong. So anyways, in my apartment, the cupboards smell old and musky. I don't like how it smells, so I saw these on Amazon and I decided to get some for the cupboard. Now I got 3 and I wanted to test how it was going to be like in the cupboard. Do I look mature? My robe? Okay, let me fix myself just a bit. Do I look better? Anyways, so I got these for the apartment. It says baking soda provides safe, effective and natural odor elimination. Odor busters filled with baking soda and added freshness. For optimal freshness, replace every 30 days. Alright, well, we're going to experiment with some of these in the cupboards. Yeah, I'm going to try it out, but I can't say for sure they're quite strong. So let's see. And it was like $20 some pack, less than $30 for the pack of 3. All right, what else did we get? Because I have to do this real quick because I have class, I have work, I have stuff to do. So we got another box from me to me. Ooh, it's my face scrub. So I was running out of my face scrub. I love Urban Skin. I come up clearly. My nails want to do me now. I'm take myself out of focus on me. And now focus. Alright, it's not focusing. It's Urban Skin Clear Smooth Daily Exfoliating Face Wash and Scrub. I really like it. However, when mine was finished, I bought a face scrub from Fantana. This cucumber and aloe vera, I think. Cucumber and something. And it has been pretty good. I can't lie. It's nice. But I really like this one. there we go. So it's Urban Skin. So I got a face scrub, and there was something else that I need. The light for you. I got you something. You see, I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. So I got light for you. I'm going to have to charge it up, but it says that it's super bright. It's kind of similar to the one that I have, but mine is a bit dull. But I got light for you for when I'm doing videos in the kitchen and inside the house. It gets a bit dark sometimes, or even if I'm doing a video out here in the evening and it's getting a bit dark, I can plug it in. So it's bicolor, fill light, save money on lights. That's what they say. Anyways, I want to see how this works. So let's pop you out to show you. So I bought you something. When I was buying this camera, I also went into Best Buy. Is Best Buy or Amazon while I was over on the American side. And I got a light. Oh, this one is bigger than mine. And I got a light, but it's kind of dull. So this one is a bit bigger. Okay, I see you. Let's turn you on. It's bright. Let me see how it look. Good enough, good enough. Wow, that's bright. So oh, you turn the knob to turn it down. And then you have color. I don't know if you know the color, but anyways, we need white light. And I'm gonna turn you off. That's pretty nice. Alright, what else do we have? Because remember, we have to go quickly because we got class. We are busy people. Alright, so we have this, the lights, right? The lights. Then again, the apartment is kind of, sometimes I have a lot of candles. I remember like all my delivery persons who come here and walk into the apartment, and I'm like, oh, the place smells so good, blah blah blah. But I have to be like burning my candles because sometimes the place, you know, has it with the smell and stuff like that. So what I also wanted was some dehumidifying bags, and it basically suck up any moisture that's in the apartment or anywhere. So I plan to hang this between my clothes. I plan to hang one of these in the laundry room. I plan to hang one of them in the bathroom, and then I think I have like 2 more. So it's basically to suck up any moisture. You know, sometimes when you go into a bathroom, it kind of smells musky because all of the moisture build up in the air and poor ventilation. So I bought some to put up around the apartment. This is how it's looking. Focus on the bag. So yeah, so let's open up one real quick so I can show you how it looks. Open the package and take out the hanging moisture absorber bag. Is there a top or a bottom? Where's my scissors? Yeah, so how are you doing? Whenever you're seeing this video, I'm asking how you're doing. How's your week going? How's life? Alright, I don't know. I probably could from the bottom. Shaving cream. Okay, so this is how the bag is looking. So I put it out of this, and then this is what it's looking like. And I believe when the beads, like as the moisture build up inside, focus. So as the moisture build up, so these are the beads right up here, right? That sucks up the moisture. And as the moisture builds up, it fills up here. And it's going to be, it says watershed. So it fills up down here. I think that's how it works. Yeah. So we shall see how much. This is how it's looking. We shall see how much it fills up. Voila. Anyways, what else do I have? The Fenty bag. Alright, let's quickly. What time is it right now? Lord Jesus, I'm about to go to class. So let me take my time to open the Fenty bag. But first of all, this is thinner than I expected it to be. Okay, this is really thin. Okay, so we have a sweater. A sweater is supposed to be yellow and green. And size S. Let's see. Let's see, it's a bit thinner. Wow, it's way thinner. This cannot wear in a winter time. This was summer. It's way thinner than expected. Size S. Kind of would fit like a medium large. It's a sweater. See-through. Okay. For the price point, I got it using my credit that I had. But for the price point and the quality, yeah, love Fenty down. Bad, real bad. But yeah, no. Yeah, no. What is this? I don't, this can't wash. This can't wash. Nylon polyester. What is this? Like, this is so thin. Oh, it says Savage Fenty on the back. Savage Fenty. But this is really thin. Not going to lie. Not exactly what I was expecting. Not exactly what I was expecting. Alright. Okay. Love Fenty sandals. Bed slippers. I have one. Don't judge me. But yeah, I wore it down. So I needed another one. And I got this one like almost a year ago. Yeah, a year ago. And I wore it like every day. So this is a green pair. Of course it's not in a bag. Oh my gosh. I think this one mosquito. Alright. So let's look at them real quick. I got glass. But let's look at them real quick. Ooh. Just as expected. Look at them. It says Savage Fenty all over. Really nice. Velvet. What else also? But no. I don't know how I feel about them. These are a bit coarser than expected. Okay. I don't know. These are very. I mean, I took so long to go to the delivery, to go to the shipping company to pick it up. So I know I can't return these right about now. It's been over a month. I don't know how I feel about it. It wasn't like I was really excited about the first pair that I bought. These, yeah, I don't know. Something about this order is not hitting how it's supposed to hit. Anyways, they don't feel that comfortable. Like, they feel a bit rough, to be honest. They feel quite rough. Anyways, putting them back up. Probably, is it me? So this is supposed to be my second pair. Now I'm not excited about the second pair. That sweater really threw me for a curve. Anyways, what is this? Oh, this is a bodysuit I got in size medium. Can't this fit me? It cannot. It cannot. Oh, God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. Because I really want it to fit. Whoa. There's a lot going on. Oh, I should have taken a large. Okay, this is how it's looking. This is how the front part is looking. The back part is all strappy. This is how it's looking. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so the quality is not bad on it. I know it won't be see-through, but it's going to snatch you in. Yeah, I'm going to need to have a flat tummy for this one. But it's cute. It's really cute. This is how it's looking. I hope you guys can see clearly. It's very strappy at the back. Made in Thailand. Tag meant to be removed. Yes, so it doesn't stick out. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the quality is not bad, but the price point on them before they went on sale, I don't know how I feel about this order, honestly. But you know, Fenty's my girl. Fenty's my girl. Rihanna is my girl. Yeah. All right. Move on to something else. Because I got a lot to go and do. But let's move on to. All right. This is a dress, a bodycon dress. Okay. All right. This slight see-through, but very soft. It's a long dress. The back is strappy. Long dress. The quality is soft and nice. Let me see, what is this made of? Made in Vietnam. Is this Fenty? All right, this is nice, like a nice Sunday dress. I think it's 100% cotton. It's soft and nice though. Yeah, and that's like a thong, and you'll be good, I believe. But it's very strappy at the back. I'll try to insert photos as best as possible. This one is the best what I've bought so far. So it is like fitted at the top and then flares out. Yeah. All right, let's put this back up at this point in time because we're running late. It's probably like 6 o'clock by now, and I have class. What else is in the Fenty bag? I'm not going to lie, I'm not feeling so hot about the Fenty at all. Alright, let's see what else is in the bag. I thought I was looking at my computer so I can listen to my class in the meantime. Alright. Oh, this is supposed to be a pants. Definitely gonna cap it, man. Short. Or is it me? Hold on, let me catch me right on my foot part. The back is like this, really cute. So people right here. People coming home at this point in time and looking. Well, what is this made of? It doesn't seem that bad, but definitely see-through. This is how the front is looking, and then the back has a peephole. Yeah, it's cute, but I would say it's short. It looks short, and this was originally $450. It was originally $450. The material stretchy, but it looks short. Let me stand up. Yeah, it right at my ankle. Don't let my roll because my front my shoe, but it's more on the polyester side. I don't know what's going on. I hate this. I mean, I don't hate Berlin. Oh, lavender. Is it made in Berlin? Nylon, elastane. Made in Cambodia. Large. Alright, when I put them on, we know how it goes. So right here as well, you see, look how ruffle. It looks really cute on the model, and I wanted to put it with the bodysuit. So let's see how that works. At the end of the day, I cannot return them. Because I took too long to go to my postal agency to pick up anything. But yeah, this sweater though is very disappointing. Not going to lie. The sweater is thin and the material is not very nice. I'm going to say that. I will never lie to you. Yeah, I'm going to class. Yeah, bye. So remember to like, share, subscribe.